Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to add profile picture on LinkedIn for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. First we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. And after that you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner and click the view profile. Okay, for the next step you can click the plus symbol here and click the add profile photo. Okay, for the next step you can click the take a photo if you want to take directly for your camera, and the second one upload from photos, it's mean from your gallery. And I want to click the upload from the photos, and it's directly to make you to your gallery and choose one of those for the photos. You can adjust it for the right side or the left side here. You can also for the crop. Click the filter if you want to make it for the filter and adjust it about the brightness, contrast, saturation and thickness. Okay, if you don't to adjust it, you can click save in the upper of the right corner. And now your photos or a profile picture is done. It's very simple way to do it. This is a tutorial how to add profile picture on LinkedIn for the Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.